Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I am on top of a commercial building here, and we're doing a preventive maintenance where we wash all the condensers, check freon levels, look for broken burnt wires, and there's a system behind me right here, and I'm actually on a roof, and you can see there's two more units right over there. There's one right there and there's one on that side, and if we walk above here, these roofs get a little slippery sometimes, especially when it's raining, but I got another one working over there, so we're on it, guys. We're checking all the air conditioning, the belts and things like that, looking for broken burnt wires. Like I said, it's always good to get them done every 3 or 4 times a year because in commercial equipment they take more of a beating. They're used a lot more. Again, it's commercial building, so they want to they run about 20 hours a day. You got customers inside, a lot of people walking around. You know, people sometimes are jumping depending on the event that they're having. So call us for our AC, heating, refrigeration, and plumbing needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can find us on YouTube at ABC Austin Service Express. Okay? See you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.